Hi there, my name is Mike, and today I'll be talking about HTML and CSS comments because I have a midterm today. To start, I've got this CSS document. We'll just empty this out for now, and that's linked to this here HTML document. So to make a comment, we'll start in HTML. One way you could do it if you're using VS Code is you could do Control/. That's just a hotkey. That works in most programming languages, actually. Yeah, you can do it in CSS here too. It'll make a comment. But essentially what this is a bit of text or kind of space in an HTML file that won't be read by like the web browser. So I can type anything in here and none of this will be interpreted by the web browser. And this is really nice for working in a team environment or if you're making something that you're going to work on in the future. Because sometimes like if you have a super long HTML file for a full website, you can kind of lose sight of what your goals were. And so by having comments there, it makes it easier for you in the future or other people working on the document to read and understand it. So yeah, for example, if I had a couple of divs here, I could label each of these with a comment, just like this, and I could say header, and then I guess I forgot the main bit, didn't I? There we go, main. And this makes it easier if this were like super long, while scrolling through the huge document, you could kind of see everything. So on to CSS. With CSS, it's not exclamation marks and dashes. Instead, it is like a slash and then a star. And then to end it, it's a star and a slash. So you can type a comment in here. This is a comment. And that's really all there is to it. If you had, again, a ton of CSS, comments are really helpful. Another use for these is you can do multi-line comments. So I can just put in enter. And anything I type in here, this is a multi-line comment. I'm outside of the comment there. So it's just constrained by these slash stars or star slash, depending on which one starts and which one ends. So I can make this as big as I want and comment as much as I want. And this is super useful for like if you want to like write your name on the top, you can do like some dashes. And you could say author and put your name if you want and put details or whatever. This can be done with HTML too. These are also multi-line comments. So if you just make a lot of space, you can type whatever you want in here. So yeah, that's all there are to comments. Pretty short video today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please do leave a like and a comment down below. Yeah, comment, and have a great day. Thanks for watching.